Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing good at your home. I appreciate each and everyone, those who send your homework on the daily basis. Okay, I congratulate each and everyone, those who send your homework to our WhatsApp dears. Today, Thursday, we are going to see third unit. Okay, I am your social science teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Today, third unit. Let's see third unit, book back question and answers. Unit 3, municipality and corporation. Municipality and corporation. First one, fill in the blanks. 1. The oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is dash. The oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. 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 The oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Second one, the father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. The father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. L-O-R-D, Lord Ripon. R-I-P-P-O-N, Ripon. Okay, the father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. L-O-R-D, Lord Ripon. R-I-P-P-O-N, Ripon. Third one, the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. The Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended a 3-tier Panchayat Raj system in the year of 1957. 1957. The Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended a 3-tier Panchayat Raj system in the year of 1957. Fourth one, the tenure of municipality is, what is the period of time for municipality? It is for 5 years. F-I-V-E, 5. The tenure of municipality is 5 years. The tenure of municipality is 5 years. First one, the oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Second one, the father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon. Third one, the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended a 3-tier Panchayat Raj system in the year of 1957. 1957. Fourth one, the tenure of municipality is for 5 years. The tenure of municipality is 5 years. F-I-V-E, 5 years. Okay. Next one, second Roman letter, match the following. First one, rural local body, Grama Panchayat. Rural local body, Grama Panchayat. Grama panchayat. Second one, Ripon building. Ripon building. It is in Ripon building by Lord Ripon. Ripon building. Lord Ripon. Ripon building, Lord Ripon. Third one, Neyveli. Third one, Neyveli township. Neyveli is a township. Fourth one, town panchayat. Town panchayat, it has more than 5,000 people. Town panchayat has more than 5,000 people. Fifth one, mayor. Mayor corporation. Mayor corporation. First one, rural local body, Grama Panchayat. Second one, Ripon building, Lord Ripon. Third one, Neyveli township. Neyveli township. Fourth one, town panchayat, more than 5,000 people. Town panchayat, more than 5,000 people. Fifth one, mayor corporation. Mayor corporation. Next one, third Roman letter, fill in the box. Here, head number, tenure, officer, revenue. So, this is the side heading, main heading, municipality and corporation. Okay. Who is the head of the municipality? Chairperson. Chairperson is the head of the municipality. Okay. Who is the head of the municipality? Chairperson is the head of the municipality. Who is the head of corporation? Mayor. M-A-Y-O-R. Mayor is the head of the corporation. Mayor is the head of the corporation. How many municipality number? 148. There are 148 municipalities. There are 148 municipalities. How many corporation are there? There are 15 corporation. 148 municipality and 15 corporation. Tenure, the period of time for municipality is 5 years, and also the period of time of corporation is 5 years. 5 years. Okay. Next one, fourth one, officer. Who is the officer in the municipality? Commissioner. Commissioner is an officer for municipality. Who is the officer for corporation? Indian administrative. INDIAN. Indian administrative. 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 Indian administrative officer for corporation. Okay. Next one, who is revenue? Revenue for municipality is state and central government. State and central government. Revenue for corporation is professional tax. Revenue for corporation is professional tax. State, S-T-A-T-E, state, and central, C-E-N-T-R-A-L, central government, G-O-V-E-R-N-M-E-N-T, government, state and central government. Answer the following. Answer in short. First one, what are the duties of corporation? What are the duties of corporation? Page number 152. Page number 152. Here, constructing and maintaining the city roads, providing drinking water facilities. These are the duties of corporation. Okay, dears. Constructing and maintaining the city roads, providing drinking water facilities, disposing garbage. Only 3 points is enough for 2 mark question. Okay. Read along with me. Constructing and maintaining the city roads, providing drinking water facilities, disposing garbage. These are all the duties of corporation. Okay, dears. Second one, write the structure of the local bodies. Write the structure of the local bodies. Page number 150. Here, this is the structure of local bodies. What are they? Urban local bodies, rural local bodies. Urban local bodies, it consists of corporation. First one, corporation. Second one, municipality. Third one, town panchayat. Urban local bodies consists of first one, corporation. Second one, municipality. Third one, town panchayat. Next one, rural local bodies. Rural local bodies consists of first one, district panchayat. Second one, panchayat union. Third one, village panchayat. These are all the rural local bodies. Okay, these are the structure of local bodies. These are the structure of local bodies. It consists of two, urban local bodies, rural local bodies. Urban local bodies consists of corporation, municipality, town panchayat. Rural local bodies consists of district panchayat, panchayat union, village panchayat. Next one, what is the total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu? What is the total number of corporation in Tamil Nadu? Page number 151. Here is answer. In Tamil Nadu, 15 corporations have been established. How many corporations in Tamil Nadu? There are 15 corporations in Tamil Nadu. The oldest corporation is in Chennai. It is a 1 mark question, right? How many corporations in Tamil Nadu? There are 15 corporations in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, 15 corporations have been established. The oldest corporation is in Chennai. The oldest corporation is in Chennai. In Tamil Nadu, 15 corporations have been established. The oldest corporation is in Chennai. Next one, fourth one. What are the sources of income of municipality? What are the sources of income for municipality? Page number 149. Here is the answer. People also pay in the form of house tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax and drainage tax. What are all the taxes we should pay? House tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax and drainage tax. Now it is in the form of shop tax. Shop tax is in the form of GST nowadays, right? So house, professional, drinking water, shop, road and drainage tax. These are the taxes we should pay to the government. Okay. It also forms the income of municipality. It forms the income of municipality. What are the sources of income for municipality? People can also pay in the form of house tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax and drainage tax. It also forms the income of municipality. These are the sources for municipality. Okay, dears. Today your homework is fill ups and match the following. Okay. Fill ups, fill in the blanks and the match the following is your today's homework. Write it down on your homework note. Take a picture of it and send it in our WhatsApp. Okay, dears. Send it separately on the WhatsApp. Don't send it in our group, WhatsApp group. Send it separately. Everyone must send your homework. Okay, everyone must send your homework. Fill in the blanks. 4 filling the blanks. Match the following consists of 5. You have to send your homework every day. Okay, dears. And also prepare well for your tomorrow's test. Students, those who are not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately as soon as possible. Okay, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.